Is that the rain, Papa? Is that the rain? Oh, yeah. Is this your first time looking at the rain, buddy? Huh, Papa? Oh, he's looking everywhere. Like, what's these raindrops? These little water drops.
Luca.
It's the second day of October, huh?
Yeah.
Huh. It started raining already.
Luca.
Now, hold on. Let me look at this rain.
I don't know if he's looking at the rain or if he's looking at the ghost.
Oh, look at the ghost. What'd you call it, babe?
Stupid ghost.
The ghost. So you telling me? I just saw your grandma. You telling me? I look up and someone's throwing a bucket of water down here.
Luca. Let me see your eyelashes.